This is question number 6 on the June 2015 non-calculator paper. So straight away, looking at the question, before I even started, I know it's on about a scatter graph. Let's read what it says. It says the scatter graph shows information about the age and the price of each of 12 cars of the same model. And then part A of the question says describe the relationship between the age of a car and its price. Describe the relationship between the age of a car and its price. Now, there's several things that you could write. You could write something like, as a car gets older, its price gets less, right? But from the scatter graph, if I actually put my pencil or pen over most of the points, you get an idea of which way this graph is going, what type of correlation it has, and therefore the type of relationship there is between the two things, price and age. Because it's sloping downwards, that's going to be a negative correlation, and that's what I'm going to write in the space that they've provided me, negative correlation. Okay. All right, there's 1 mark for that. You need to make sure you do write it clearly and you do indicate what it is. Okay, part B, a different car of the same model is 3.5 years old. Estimate the price of the car. So a different car, same model, is 3.5 years old. Estimate the price of the car. They basically want us to use the scatter graph to actually estimate the price of a car that's 3.5 years old. In order to do this, I have to draw a line of best fit. So I'm going to go to my line of best fit and I'm going to draw that line in. Okay, that goes through the center of most of the points. Okay, and they've said, remember that the different car is 3.5 years old. 3.5 years old. So from there, I'm going to draw a line going up to my line of best fit. And then across. And at which point I will attempt to read off that value. Okay, so this is 60,000. This is 60,500. That means each tiny square stands for 100. This is going to be 60,700. Okay, now with a scatter graph, you get a range of answers. I believe according to the mark scheme, they accepted anything from 6,400 to 7,000. My answer there is in a good space, so I'm going to write that in to my answer space for part B, 6,700. And that should be able to get me full marks for this whole question. Scatter graphs are very common in your exam. Make sure you can do them. Make sure you can get full marks in them. Always draw a line of best fit and draw your lines going across to the line of best fit and across. Take great care reading the scale. Make sure you can do this and get full marks in it.